Hello there. In this video we will learn how to use AI content without detecting from Google search engines by using Blogi. You're probably aware, Google is coming down hard on AI-generated content in its search engines, deranking boatloads of content it doesn't like. Learn how not to be a part of the statistics and even turn Google's raid on AI content into a massive win for yourself. We'll show you how. Two live events are conducting to learn how to use AI content without any problem on April 14th, 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and April 15th, 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Special prizes and bonuses just for showing. Lock in your spot for both. Click on the link given in description and in comment section to enroll for the live classes. Hurry up, only 1,000 seats are available and going very quickly.